Roofing is one of those ones where it can take ages to get quotes back, or it's really hard to figure out what the pricing is for all the different products and all the different materials that are involved in building that roof. So what we've done so that you don't have to wait for that pricing anymore is that we've created it within Wunderbuild so it auto calculates all the different products in that roof. I'm just going to jump in and show you in here how our roofing takeoff works in the program. So here we've got this job. Here, I'm going to go to metal roofing. I'm going to work out, well, it's a 17.5 degree pitch. Actually go through and say, well, I want custom orb Colorbond roofing at 17.5 degrees. Add that in here. I can also add that in the lower levels as well. Add it in here. And then we've got some over here as well. Nice and easy. And if we need to adjust that, we can just quickly edit that in the corner there. So nice and easy. So as you can see, we can do a quick takeoff. We can add in things like ridges, valleys, apron flashings. So if I want to quickly add this apron flashing in here, I can say, well, it needs to go here, and then it needs to be pitched for this other area along here, as well as throwing it at the back here. I can add in some of those ridges that I quickly skimmed past before and say, yep, let's add this in too, along here, along here, as well as on the upper level along the top too. So it's just a nice simple gable roof that we've got. Going through, we can say, okay, what else is involved in this job? Now we don't have any parapets or anything like that. If you've got tile roofing for this particular job, you can say, well, concrete roof tiles, or we can say valley flashings in there too. For this one, I'm going to add the last part of roofing, which is the fascia, gutter, and flashings. So we've got barge, capping, and fascia. So we'll add this in at 17.5. So, well, I know I need barge, capping, and fascia along the edges of these gable ends. So you can do it on here on the floor plans. You can also do it on the elevations too if you don't want to put a pitch on it. So you can just go over and say, on this level, I'm going to add it to the elevations. I'm going to remove that pitch and say, well, I want it here, here. I'm going to add it to my front elevation too, on the front of this garage. Nice and easy. And I already did the upper roof on those floor plans. So from there, we can add in a few other things. We've got, fascia and gutter in here. I prefer to do these on the floor plans, to be honest. So I can go and add that in. Here. Floor plans. Here. And then we have one along this garage here. Other things we've got in here, so we've got external fascia and gutter corners, and then we've got box gutters. So we've got the overflow, the sump, the rainwater head, brick sill flashings, and above window flashings. So if you want to add in any of those above window flashings, you can go in and add it in here too. So you can just say, yeah, we want this, above these windows. They're a bit further down, and we don't want any water getting in them. And we'll get these roofers to install them at the same time, if you please. So from there, what that's automatically doing within the costings is calculating, this is everything you need for this metal roof. These are all the products required, allowing you to move ahead with your estimate and allowing you to win that work quicker and allowing you to get the estimate back to your client straight away. As you can see in here, it's calculating these products I can click edit and actually show you we've got, okay, custom morb Colorbond roofing, including battens and 60mm anticon. So you can actually open this up and see all the different products involved in building out that roof and what actually builds at that price, allowing you to adjust anything as well if you please. So you can go through, you can see metal roofing items. We've got, ridges in there, apron flashings, tile roofing items we've left blank. But then we've got the fascia gutter and barge items all calculating in there too. And once again, you can open any of these up. You can actually see all the different components involved in the build. And then you can keep going. You can say, great. And we've got the above window flashings too. And that's all automatically priced. All the pricing's maintained in the background too. So you don't even need to think about going, oh, are these prices up to date? What's happening here? And then eventually when you do get your roofing quote back, you can enter it in against here and just zero these products out. So this is obviously designed for yourself, for builders. This is designed to get your estimates out quickly without having to wait for those suppliers or trades to get quotes back to you. Definitely hope this helps in any way possible.